In this video it will be demonstrated how to install Angular and all required components needed for basic Angular development.
Run PowerShell as an administrator. Run the Get-ExecutionPolicy List command to display how PowerShell's execution policy is currently configured. None have been set. Set the execution policy to remote-signed. Enter A for yes to all. Verify if the execution policy has now been set. All OK.
Next it will be demonstrated how to verify if Node.js is installed and install it if it is not. Enter the command node version to verify what version of Node.js is installed. The term node is not recognized means Node.js is not currently installed. In this section it will be shown how to download and install Node.js. Search for Node.js download. Continue to install Node.js by selecting the default values. Verify if Node.js is now installed. Next it will be demonstrated how to install Angular from the command line interface. Execute the following command. Verify the Angular version installed by entering the following command: ng version.